Whop versus Gumroad. Which platform is better to sell digital product? In this video, I will explain you each and everything when it's come to selling a digital product online. My two most favorite platform for doing so are the first one is the Whop and the second one is Gumroad. Right, so basically both of them are a good one. So first of all, we will talk about Gumroad. Gumroad is a quite a flexible platform and it can be used to sell almost anything. The platform has become a popular with people who are selling printable patterns, receiving or 3D printing and other similar hobbies. It's also popular with coaches who want an easy way of managing access to the training courses. Products that are not safe for work are permitted on Gumroad but must be tagged as such to ensure that they do not appear in general category or Gumroad Discover store. So yeah, a seller can set up a store on subdomain of a Gumroad site for people to explore the products they are offering. The platform also has its own Discover section, which is good, right? Now, to start selling on Gumroad, it's very easy. You have to just come to this website and basically, let's first of all talk about the pricing. So here pricing 10% flat off right now. So that's a great one. And to start selling on Gumroad, it's very easy and free to right now. So you can just click on start selling and you can just make an account by using Facebook, Google or Stripe, right? Or you can just create another account and you can start selling your digital product over Gumroad. Now let's talk about Whop, right? So in the Whop is also similar to Gumroad and you can use this to sell your digital product. But here, if you just visit this Whop, you can see there's a lot of option. But as we compare to the Gumroad, then it's not because Gumroad has a much more feature than the Whop. In the Whop, you can see that basically to start selling on Whop, you have to just sign up or you can just click on start selling here. And it's similar to the Gumroad. You can see you can sell anything and the dashboard look much more cooler than as compared to the Gumroad, right? You can just click on watch a video and you can uh, just get explanation that how you can start over to sell your product over the Whop, right? So people like you make over 1 million per year, which is a catchy headline, but it's not true because I'm selling my digital product for a very long time in these Gumroad and it's pretty good for me as we compare to the Whop. Whop is something new, but still it's a very promising one. So I hope you found this video very useful and make sure to take your opinion by researching on both of these websites.